Hello, welcome to another one of my Smartsheet videos. Today I'm going to go over a situation you may encounter in Smartsheet when you are performing date calculations on a system generated column. So in this example, I have a column called created. If we look at the column properties, you'll see it's set up as an auto number and the system generated column being that of a created date. You'll see here in my third column where I take this system generated created date, I add one day to it, and you would expect in both of these cases that you would end up with a result of June 2nd, 2021, based on the created date showing the creation date as June 1st, 2021. However, in the second row, when I add one day to June 1st, 2021, the result is June 3rd, 2021. The reason why that is because the date you see here in a system generated column in Smartsheet, even though it's displayed in your local time zone, in my case I have this set to GMT minus 7 hours, but Smartsheet stores this time as their server time, which is based on GMT or UTC time. So when you add one day to that, you can get an additional day beyond what you would expect if this timestamp actually represents the next day in the UTC time zone. And so in this case, you can see that this timestamp was created on June 1st, 2021 at 5:01 p.m. So if we add 7 hours to that, we would be at June 2nd, 1 minute after 0000 hours. So in order to get around this, what you can do is you can extract the local date from this system generated column. And you do that by extracting the different components of the date in the created column and creating your own date in another column. So in this example, we use the value function because when we extract the different components from the system column, it's going to be as text. And so you need to convert that text to a number for the date function in Smartsheet. And the way the date function works, if you're not familiar, is you input a year, a month, and then a day. So in the year part of this formula, I'm extracting 21 as the year. And I have to add 100 to it so that way Smartsheet knows it's 2021 and not 1921. Now, in the second position of the formula, I need the month. So I'm extracting 06. And this is using the left function to start from the left of the text in this row and extract the first two positions being 06. And in the last position here, I have the day, which I want to extract as 01. And so this mid function allows me to start in the middle of the text string at the fourth position, which is 0, and then take an additional character. And as you see, if I add one day to what I call the true local date, then I get June 2nd in both cases as expected. In the information about this video, I'm going to link to a thread in the Smartsheet community discussing this issue to let you know that this is a challenge that a lot of Smartsheet users have. And hopefully this little video can help you find a nice little workaround. Thank you for watching.